Hi Yan, how are you and how's your work? Hey Yan, on the next week will be our 10th wedding anniversary, so we want to do something special or we want to go out to celebrate our anniversary?
Oh, I almost forgot about our anniversary. I'm so sorry.
It's okay Yan, I know we're both busy at work, so what's your plan?
Why don't we celebrate our anniversary in a hotel so we could try something new for our anniversary?
Okay, if that's what you want, we're going to celebrate in the hotel.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome man.
I know we should stay back. I'm going to go.
Okay.
Good morning. This is Jessica from White Hotel. How may I assist you? Hi. I want to make a reservation on February 22 until February 24. May I ask if there's any available room for those dates? One moment, please. I'll check if there's available room for those dates. Yes, ma'am. We have a room available for those dates. Okay, that's great. We will arrive there tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. Okay, ma'am. May I ask what room do you prefer to accommodate? We have a deluxe room for 14,500 per night, a suite room for 10,200 per night, and a walk-in room for 10,400 per night. What room do you prefer to accommodate, ma'am? Hey, Han, they have suite room, deluxe room, and couples room. What room do you prefer?
Ang book na conference room man.
Okay. I would like to book the couples room for me and my husband and charge it to my husband's credit card. Sure, ma'am. May I know your name, contact number, and email address? My name is Dejira Hernandez. My contact number is 0999-999-9999 and my email address is dejira@gmail.com. Okay, ma'am. So the total amount of your stay is 37,200 for 2 days. May I know your husband's credit card number and name? My husband's credit card is BPI and his BPI number is 246899. One moment, please, the process your payment. Okay, ma'am, I received 37,200 pesos on your husband's credit card. Thank you. Then repeat, ma'am, you book a couple room for 3 days and you pay me through online payment. This also includes full breakfast for 2 persons and you will arrive before the morning at 5 p.m. Am I correct, ma'am? Yes, that's right. Is there anything else, ma'am? No, I think that's all. We will settle the rest when we arrive there. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm home. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Oh, hi, darling. How's your school? It's fine. By the way, darling, me and my dad are leaving tomorrow morning because we want to celebrate our 10th wedding anniversary. That's why we booked in a hotel. Is that so? How long are you going to stay there? Just a few days. By the way, while we're not here, be a good girl, okay? Of course, Mom. I'll be a good girl. Enjoy your wedding anniversary today.
Next.
Hi, can you tell me where I can check in here? Hey ma'am, welcome to Light Hotel. Yes ma'am, just go straight and you will find our receptionist. Okay, thank you. Hello, good afternoon ma'am. Welcome to Light Hotel. How may I help you? Hi, I want to check in. Is there any available room? One moment, please. Yes ma'am, is still available. Alright then, I'll check. Can I have your ID for identification, please? Thank you so much, ma'am. May I ask if you would like We have a guest that arrived. Can you assist them?
Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. Welcome to Lorena Hotel. How may I help you?
I have a reservation in your hotel.
Let me assist you to the front desk, ma'am and sir. May I tell you lobby? Sure, thanks. This way, ma'am and sir. Ma'am and sir, we are taking the front desk.
Hello, ma'am, sir. Afternoon. Welcome to Light of the Mountain. I have a reservation in your hotel. My name is Chloe, ma'am. My name is Deidre Rivas. Alright, Mrs. Hernandez. I'm checking your reservation. Yes, Mrs. Hernandez is on our list. You both want couple of 4 3 nights. Is that right, ma'am? Yes, that's right. May I have your requirements? Thank you so much, ma'am. Mrs. Fernandez, your room number is 309. This is the envelope including your food, IDs, and for breakfast, ma'am. Is there anything else? No, I think that's all. Will you have our bag set up? Yes, ma'am. Our butler will be assisting. Mr. Palasa is our butler. Mr. Palasa, can you support Mr. and Mrs. Fernandez in their room? This is the K and the guest card.
Ma'am and sir, may please go to you.
Excuse me, why am I waiting here for a person else and then us another desk after me? I sincerely apologize for the delay, ma'am, but we handle guests based on reservations and availability. Some guests may have completed already their check-ins in advance, which will speed up the process. The guests that we assisted before you had already gotten their bookings online. Is that so? Yes, ma'am, I understand that you're upset. I truly apologize for that. I hope this won't happen again. Absolutely, ma'am. Thank you for your patience, and we will process your check-in now. Ma'am, your room number is 367, and here is your key card. And our butler here will assist you to go on your room. Okay. So this is Mrs. Barrios. She will be your butler. This is Ma'am Curry. Once again, ma'am, I apologize for the inconvenience and we hope you enjoy your stay with us. Have a good day. I hope so.